Reason why you ain't even seeing the growth that you want to see, because you ain't taking care of your hair easier than you think. Let me show you. Use a cleanser first, all right? Don't sleep on the cleanser. Y'all just skip past shampoo. Boy, show you what's up. Shampoo, a good one. It should not strip your hair, bro. It's gonna remove all the gunk and the buildup from your scalp, my guy. You don't want none of that. If you have that on your head, your hair's not growing. Trust me, half of the battle's already lost. The hair comes from down here, doesn't come from over here. This is what we keep. Let's rinse this guy out. And now when it comes to our conditioner, y'all are too rough with your hair. Detangle your hair, you gotta have a conditioner in it, okay? You cannot be detangling it like this. Make sure you get an even spread. This step is so important if you want to keep the new growth. Work it through the rest of your hair. When your hair is hydrated and it's conditioned, it's gonna be softer and it's not gonna be dry and brittle. Dry, brittle hair breaks off. These ends break off. You're not gonna see your hair getting longer. It's not getting longer because it's breaking off. Does that make sense? Let's make it make sense. You can thank me later.